Los Angeles, look, it's a city of absolutely incredible opportunity, right? But let's be totally real here, it is also one of the most brutally expensive places to live in the entire country. If you're out there struggling with sky-high rent, crazy transportation costs, maybe inconsistent work, or just the rising cost of literally everything, listen to me, you are absolutely not alone. Today, we're skipping all those fake gurus. No unrealistic easy money promises here. In this explainer, we're going to do a complete step-by-step walkthrough of realistic ways to build extra income streams in LA. We're talking everything from quick, flexible gig work all the way up to long-term business building.
I mean, take a look at this. This is a highly relatable question straight from a local Reddit community, and it just perfectly frames that intense financial pressure so many residents are feeling right now. When you're juggling LA's cost of living, trying to find a reliable way to actually make ends meet can just feel exhausting, right?
And this quote right here, wow, it really captures the stark reality of the LA hustle. Working a standard 9-to-5 job just isn't always enough anymore to secure a permanent roof over your head, let alone eliminate debt, or, save up for a milestone like an engagement ring. So let's look at some actionable, beginner-friendly solutions for folks in exactly this kind of position, and we're going to keep everything totally practical and scam-free.
So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with quick and flexible app gigs, move into unique Los Angeles hustles, then talk about scaling up to a small business, knowing your worker rights, and finally, some absolutely crucial disclaimers.
All right, Section 1, quick and flexible app gigs, earning on your own schedule.
Let's start with the lowest barrier to entry. The real beauty of these platforms is how they fit around a super unpredictable LA life. Whether your schedule is packed with acting auditions, university classes, or just a standard 9-to-5 office job, this works. But it's all about realistic expectations, right? Check out the numbers. You can make around $20 an average walk on Rover. Amazon Flex is paying about $18 to $25 an hour for deliveries. HouseSitter.com pays $30+ a day for basic care, which, by the way, can actually double as a temporary roof over your head. And Quick, that lets you pick up freelance food and beverage shifts totally on demand.
So whether you're shopping for Instacart, driving tourists around West Hollywood for Uber and Lyft, or even delivering parts for AutoZone, these platforms are great because they let you plug into the local economy immediately. No massive upfront commitment required. The absolute key here, though, is effective time management. You've got to balance these shifts to generate steady income without burning yourself out.
Moving on to Section 2, unique Los Angeles hustles. This is all about capitalizing on the city's unique ecosystem. Okay, so moving beyond the standard apps, did you know you can tap directly into LA's massive entertainment and consumer industries? Because so many major brands are headquartered right here, you can actually attend in-person focus groups in places like Hollywood, Beverly Hills, or Culver City to test consumer products. And get this, that usually earns you between $50 and $200 a session. Or, if you prefer, you can participate in remote nationwide studies right from your laptop, testing things like video games or personal finances for maybe just an hour of your time. Now, if e-commerce is more your speed, here is an incredible insider resource, the LA Fashion District. You just head past Santee Alley to the official wholesale vendors on a Saturday, and the best part, you don't even need a resale certificate to shop these sample sales. By purchasing small minimums, think like 6 pieces per style, you can lock in true wholesale rates. It's a fantastic, highly practical starting point if you're looking to build an online boutique.
And take a look at this number. If you transition into a specialized freelance skill like professional organizing or interior plant design, you can command anywhere from $95 to $150 an hour. No joke. By developing organic, premium solutions for clients, rather than just, throwing things in plastic bins, you can actually build a sustainable, high-income freelance career right here in the city.
Which brings us to Section 3, scaling up to small business, moving from a side hustle to true independence.
Once you've really mastered that side hustle, LA actually offers incredible resources to help you establish something more permanent. If you're culinary-minded, a Mexico permit is an absolute game changer. It legally transforms your own home kitchen into a permitted micro-restaurant where you can prep and serve food to the public. It is a brilliant, realistic, and super low overhead way to test out a food concept and build a real customer base.
And listen, you do not have to navigate these local regulations alone. The city and county offer official civic resources, completely free of charge, to help you formalize your hustle into a legitimate, protected enterprise. They even provide recovery assistance for businesses that get impacted by unexpected emergencies.
Plus, there is actual capital out there waiting to help you scale up.
Organizations like Accessity offer microloans ranging from $300 all the way up to $150,000. There's the Small Business Mobility Fund, which provides grants specifically for getting your business permitted, and the Small Business Development Center offers specialized food truck loans. On top of all that, LA Legal Help provides free legal assistance to review your commercial leases and setups. How amazing is that?
All right, Section 4, knowing your worker rights, because protecting the money you earn is just as important as making it.
Like I said, earning extra money is fantastic, but keeping it and protecting yourself, that's everything. It is absolutely critical to understand the safety nets for traditional W-2 employees versus 1099 gig workers. See, W-2 employees can tap into standard unemployment and paid sick days. But if you're a freelancer or a gig worker, you generally won't qualify for standard unemployment, though you should always keep an eye out for specific emergency programs. Knowing your exact classification is step 1 in protecting your income.
And here is a crucial right every single worker should know. 30. If you leave a traditional job or if you're laid off and your employer fails to pay your final wages immediately, you are legally entitled to 1 day of wages for every day you wait, up to a maximum of 30 days. This waiting time penalty is an incredibly powerful legal tool to ensure you actually get the money you've earned.
Now, if you ever face wage theft, reduced pay without notice, or workplace discrimination, and yes, this applies even if you are an undocumented worker, you have rights. Organizations like Legal Aid at Work and BetZedek are right here to defend those rights and provide vital legal resources absolutely free of charge. You never, ever have to accept unfair treatment just because you're trying to make ends meet.
Finally, Section 5, crucial disclaimers. Let's play it safe and smart. Okay, before you run out and download a brand new app, we really have to cover the ground rules. Your earnings will fluctuate widely based on demand and location, and those app platform algorithms, yeah, they change constantly. It is strictly your responsibility to secure the proper permits and protect yourself from scams. So please, always do your own thorough research before handing over your personal information or investing any of your hard-earned money into a new side hustle. Surviving and thriving in Los Angeles requires immense grit and consistency, doesn't it? But as one of our local entrepreneurial sources so beautifully put it, you truly do own your future. You have the total ability to adapt, avoid the distractions, and grow way beyond your current circumstances.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with this final thought. Are you just chasing a quick paycheck, or are you building reliable long-term value? Whether it's mastering e-commerce, launching a permitted home kitchen, or building up those freelance skills, focus on developing abilities that actually appreciate over time. Avoid those unrealistic shortcuts, stay incredibly consistent, and go build a sustainable future in Los Angeles.